what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And yes, I am officially a drone owner. And it was a year ago, I had the opportunity to test the Spark, the DJI Spark, and I liked the experience. And it was great for the first time using a drone. I sent it back. And I had been thinking about over the course of the past year that I was going to get one. I thought I was going to officially buy one then, but I had the opportunity to just do a review and test it out. And then I started getting a little concerned about areas where you're limited that you can fly. So then this past July 4th weekend, we were out in the mountains and somebody brought their Mavic Pro. We shot some video. I got to use their drone. I loved it. I said I want to get one. So I was talking to my friend and he's like, hey, you know, I own the Mavic Air. I'm not using it. I've hardly used it. Why don't I sell it to you? So sure enough, I did. I got the Mavic Air Fly More combo, and I will put a link where you get more information. You could read the reviews, ton of reviews, obviously a lot of videos out there now. And you can order it if that's something that you're interested in. I think that this is a great way to go if you're on the fence between like a Spark and a Pro and you don't want to spend the money on a Pro but still want to get a really good drone. Now, this is obviously the black Onyx, comes in with a red and white. I would probably recommend maybe going with the red or white. I was talking to another friend who has the Air, and he said he went with the red because in case it gets in a tree or just a place somehow that you need to find it, and you know, black Onyx will be harder to find it. So the other reasons why I got it, obviously the price point, but some of the what's really important for me is I go hiking, and there are places where I will be able to use it. Like this afternoon, I'm going to go do a little hike and then shoot some video. And I wanted something that would be able to fit in my bag. The Spark was small, but you wouldn't be able to collapse the arms, as you can see here that you can. And this offers so much more. So there you go. Really sweet drone. Now the other thing which I like as well about this model is that you got the camera sensors. You got them here on the front, you got them on the back, and then also on the bottom as well. And they are pretty sensitive when I've been testing it out. Comes with this cover for your camera, so you want to keep that on there. And then you've got these arms that come down for landing. So really amazing, and it's truly been a great experience. The other thing which has really made a big difference as well as it comes with it is the remote control. When I had tried it with the Spark, I was using my phone. I also had trouble with Android. It's been working great with the Android app, and it also has the sensor, the connector for the Type-C, which plugs right into my phone, and then I can use it. So it just fits great. So I've got here the Google Pixel 2 XL, and then I just use it, and it's really been working well. I've got so much to learn, but I love how I can control my drone so much more. So this is the case, by the way, for the drone. It works perfectly and fits right in there. And let me just fold these up. So it's very, very cool. And let's see, I think we got all the blades there intact, and just fits right in this. And now I could just have it protected, and it goes right in my bag. So pretty sweet. It does come with 3 batteries, and flight time I've been finding somewhere, you know, in the 15 to 20 minute range. I think closer to 15 to 18 minutes, but these are the batteries. You get 3 of them. You also have this hub where you can charge up to 4 batteries at a time. So the way the hub works is if you have multiple batteries on there, it's going to start with the one that's got the highest amount of battery life left, so it can get it charged and you can get right back going again. It just connects right there on the bottom, and like that, locks in place. And then you've got the charging port that goes right there on the bottom of the hub, and then you could charge it up. Now, I have also just used the connector to charge the battery up as well, but I also find like it's a little finicky with the way it works. Sometimes I feel like it's connecting, sometimes I don't, but anyway, I've been, you know, making it work. So you could go that way as well if you don't want to use the hub. In addition, obviously, you get a ton of booklets and information. Probably will never read it, but you got that there. And then you've got these for the blades to these little protectors for the blades. So if you want to fly maybe indoors or you're in a tight environment and you're worried about the blades getting beaten up, these would help protect it. And then you also have, in addition, for it's got this port here. It's got adapter pieces. So if you want to charge it, you want to connect it to your computer, the charging port and everything, or for connecting to your computer, would go right in there and uses a Type-C connection. This is also where your micro SD card, which I will put, this is the one that I got, that I need to use. I've been up to this point, I've just been using the 8 gigabytes of storage on here, and it's been working fine. So if you are interested in one that you don't have to always worry about the memory, then this is a great way to go. So that was another plus for me. So you've got that. Then in this bag, which honestly, I think the bag is nice, but it's limited on what you could put in here. I mean, you can hold your batteries, but I've got something else for the batteries. So it comes with the 3 batteries. You got the slots in there. Then I think the remote was in here. Then you've got this front pocket, and there are additional 4 blades there that you have. So you've got some additional ones there. And then there is an additional pocket here where it does come with some other accessories. You do also have some other connectors to connect your phone with the app. And then it also has additional handles for the remote. So these screw on and off. And then you can then tuck them in here in the remote control if you are done using, or when you're done using the remote control. But it does come with a couple of extras there. And then this is another piece, looks like for the battery and for charging. So that is the nice bag there. Then I did get some extra stuff with it. One, I've got, which I thought would be wise, I've got a landing pad. So I ordered one that was way too big initially, and then I got this one. And this one opens up, as you can see. Perfect to fit the drone on. And you could see that would be even, this is even kind of too big, but works well. Blue, black, and then it just folds up like this. And then it fits right back in this bag. And then additionally, it comes here, it comes with stakes, so you can put the stakes in the ground. I would recommend it, especially when you're near a dirt environment, dusty environment, grass. And then they have these reflector pieces as well that you can use that comes with that. So I'll put a link to this. And then it's got the handy pouch, and then I could just, again, bring this with me when I go hiking. And it was really, really affordable. Next up, I got is the little casing for the controller. Now, one of the things which is nice, so you don't have to take off the pieces here for controlling the steering, the little knobs, is you can get a casing that this would fit. And let's see, make sure that this one works. So there you go. This one does work, and you don't have to take off the knobs. So I'll put a link to this one as well. And it looks like it's padded real well, so you won't damage your knobs on there. So nicely done with this casing. So that's pretty much it. Again, I did get the memory card, which this is a 64 gigabyte memory card, and that is what I can share with you today. I've been really pleased with the drone thus far. I'm really looking forward to getting out there and using it this afternoon. But let me know if you have any questions, if you're using it, any feedback that you can give, any tips. I will be learning a lot out there, and especially also be careful where you do fly. I'll put a link to some apps that might be helpful to identify where you're safe to fly the drone, and also make sure to check the local websites as well if you're in an area not sure. Even in addition to the app, you want to make sure that there are certain regulations as well that some places might have certain requirements. All right, everybody, look forward to sharing with you more videos, some scenic shots and other videos that I take, and look forward to any comments and feedback as well. And again, check out the links for all the information, and I appreciate your time today. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.